Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rizat Graphics. In this tutorial, you will learn to create an amazing Christmas lights animation in Adobe After Effects without using any plugins. I recommend you to watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. Step number 1. We need to create a bulb light. So, open Adobe After Effects and then create a new composition. I am calling it a light bulb. Set the resolutions to 750 by 750 pixels. Frame rate to 30 frames per second. And set the duration to 2 seconds. Go to the File menu, and import the bulb vector file. Select the vector file and click Import. Select the import kind to footage, and layer options to merged layers. Drag the vector file to the composition. Right-click on it. Go to Create. And choose Create Shapes from the vector file. Now delete the original vector file. We don't need it. Select the shape layer. And press Ctrl+D to make it duplicate. Hide the second shape layer. Go under the first shape layer properties. Then under the content. Select Group 5. And delete it. Hide the first shape layer, and unhide the second shape layer. Go under the properties, then under the content. Select the first 4 groups. And delete them. Now we have separate layers for holder, and the light bulb. Rename the first shape layer to the holder. And the second shape layer to a light bulb. Right-click here. Then New, and select the null object. Select both shape layers. And parent to the null object. If you don't see the parent options, then right-click here. Then Columns. And select the parent and link. Go under the light bulb shape properties. Then under the content. Then Group 5. Then under the fill. Then add a keyframe on color. I am going to use the yellow color for the light bulb, but you are free to use any color you like. Go to about 1 second on the timeline. Then change the fill color to light yellow. Copy the first keyframe. And paste it to the end of the timeline. Looks good to me. Let's add some glow to the light bulb. Select the light bulb shape layer. And make it duplicate. Rename it to light bulb glow. Keep the glow layer selected. Go to Effects and Presets, search the effect Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop to the glow layer. Click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Go to about 1 second on the timeline. And change the blurriness to 315. Go to the last frame, and change the blurriness value back to 0. Go to Effects and Presets, and search for the effect Glow. Drag and drop just below to the Gaussian blur effect. Change the glow threshold to 55%. Glow intensity to 0.5. Let's see the preview. Cool. Looks perfect to me. Select the light bulb composition. Go to the Composition menu. And choose Add to Render Queue. Click on Lossless. Change the format type to QuickTime. Change the channels to RGB plus alpha. Then click Render. Our light bulb transparent video is ready. Let's move to the next step. Step number 2. We need to create wires. So, open Adobe Illustrator. Change the stroke color to black. And set the fill color to none. Change the stroke to 3 points. Select the rectangle tool. And create a rectangle just like this. Select and copy the rectangle. Then create a new layer. And paste it. Again create a new layer. And paste the rectangle stroke. Hide layers 2 and 3. Select layer 1. Go to the Effect menu. Then Distort and Transform. And choose Zigzag, then hit OK. Hide layer 1. And unhide the second layer. Also, apply the zigzag effect. Change the size to 35 pixels. And ridges per segment to 15. And select the smooth points. Select the third rectangle layer. Also, apply the zigzag effect. Select the relative option. And change the size to 1%. Change the ridges per segment to 18. And select the smooth option. Now, unhide all layers. Looks good to me. Let's save it as a vector file. Step number 3. Open Adobe After Effects. And create a new composition. I am calling it Christmas Lights Animation. Set the resolutions to 1920 by 1080 pixels, 30 frames per second. And set the duration to 10 seconds. Go to the File menu. Then import the vector file, and the light bulb transparent footage which we created earlier. Drag the wire vector file to the composition. Go to Effects and Presets. And search the effect fill. Drag and drop to the vector file. Change the fill color to the gray or any color you like. Decrease the scale to 5%. Drag the light bulb footage to the composition. Press the S key to open Scale Properties. And change the scale to 15%. As you can see, our light bulb animation is only 2 seconds longer. Let me show you to fix this. Right-click on the light bulb video. Go to Interpret Footage. Then click on Main. Here you can change the loop amount to 15. Now, drag the footage layer to increase the timing. Cool. It's time to add the light bulbs to the wire. Duplicate the light bulb and change its position. Then rotate it something like this. Let me do it faster to save your time. Right-click on the wire layer. Go to the layer style. And choose Bevel and Emboss. Let's see the preview. Looks good to me. But let's make the light bulbs glow separately. Let me add one more bulb here. Now, select the random layers. And move them to the left side. Let's see the changes. Looks good to me. Select all layers. Right-click. And choose Pre-Compose. Rename it to Light Bulbs. Right-click on the composition. Go to the time. And choose a time stretch. Change the stretch factor from 100 to 50. Drag the work area. Then right-click here. And choose Trim Compo to Work Area. It will make our animation faster. Go to the File menu, and import the wall image. Drag and drop the composition. Right-click here. Then New. And select the solid. Select the wall image. Then reduce the opacity to 15%. Duplicate the light bulb composition. Rename it to the glow. Hide the first layer. Go to the Effects and Presets. And search for the effect of Gaussian blur. Drag and drop to the glow layer. Change the blurriness value to 100. Keep the light bulb glow layer selected. Then go to the Effects and Presets. Search the effect glow. Drag and drop to the glow layer. Reduce the opacity to 30%. Change the layer mode from normal to add. Now, make the first layer visible. Let's see what we have created so far. Cool. Looks perfect to me. Let's change the light bulb colors. Double-click on the light bulb's composition. Select any layer you want. Go to the Effects and Presets. And search the effect of Hue and Saturation. Drag and drop to the bulb layer. Change the master hue value. Select the effect. And press Ctrl+C to copy it. Choose another light bulb layer, and paste the effect. You can easily change the bulb colors you like. Let me do it faster to save your time. Let's see the final results. Amazing. Can I get only 500 likes for this tutorial? I hope this was helpful, and that you have learned a lot from this tutorial. If you do have any questions, or if anything that is unclear, please leave a comment. I will respond as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Good luck.